let's see an example how you will pass a journal entry from a transaction. See, first example, Datta started business and introduced capital of rupees 1 lakh. So first of all, prepare the pro forma of journal. So you are not allowed to pass journal entry before, without the journal pro forma. So first of all, prepare the pro forma, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit, and then Datta started business, introduce a capital. So first of all, as we are as I told you in the last example, when I taught you the application of rules of personal account, real account and nominal account. So in this transaction, first of all, find out which accounts are involved, cash account and capital account. So cash is introducing, the cash account debited, real account what comes in, that is why it is debited. 2, capital account is a personal account, is the giver. So 1 lakh is debited, 1 lakh credited. So this is what, this is called a narration, a brief description of transaction. I repeat my words. This is called narration and this is brief description of the transaction. And the word being is must to put in when you start any narration. Being the amount invested in the business. Being Mr. Datta introduced the capital. Anything you can write in your own language, but it should be a brief description of this transaction. So you have no need to cram these narrations. So, and this is the second transaction. So here here in the examples this is explained, and then separately column is prepared. So you have no need to prepare pro forma again and again. Just prepare one pro forma and the underline, and then start writing with the next journal entry. No need to prepare pro forma separately for separate entries. I'll explain one you more entry how you can pass the journal entry. Purchase furniture from Raj Furniture for 10,000 and paid in cash. So it is specifically mentioned in the transactions that we paid the cash. What we purchased? Furniture. Furniture is an asset. What we paid? Cash. Cash is also an asset. Both accounts are related to real account. And now what is the rule of real account? Debit, what comes in? What comes in? Furniture is comes in. Credit, what goes out? What is going out? Cash is going out. So according to the rule of real account, furniture account debit, and we have to put debit here near the ledger folio lane, and then to cash account, not from the here, you have to put 2 after giving a little gap. So furniture account debit, to cash account credit 10,000, and after that in the bracket a brief description of transaction which is called narration. Being the furniture purchased against cash. You can write anything according to your understanding.